So initially we have seen that Euclid's division lemma, right? And then we have seen that Euclid's division algorithm to find HCF. So in that algorithm we are using that lemma. So in that lemma what we are doing is, let's say A equal to BQ plus R, right? Then in the next step what we are doing, we are taking, now we are calculating here HCF of A comma B. So in the next step what we are doing, we are calculating the HCF of B comma R, right? So B, R, some quotient plus some remainder. Now again we are doing the same thing till we get the remainder 0. So when can we do this? When HCF of A comma B is equal to HCF of B comma R, and it must proceed further. Then only we can do this. Otherwise we can't equate it, no? So now we need to prove that HCF of A comma B equal to HCF of B comma R. So if I prove that, again I can consider this is A comma B. Then next time will become B comma R, right? So just I need to prove that HCF of A comma B equal to HCF of B comma R. So I am considering, let's say, HCF of A comma B equal to some M. HCF of B comma R is equal to some N. Now I need to show that M is equal to N, right? So let's say consider A equal to BQ plus R. Now I am dividing this equation by M. Okay, then A by M, BQ plus R by M. So now I can split this equation, no? BQ by M plus R by M. So A by M is an integer or not? Because M is a HCF of A comma B, so it's a common multiple of A, right? So A by M must be integer. So what about BQ by M? It's an integer. So then R by M also must be integer. So it says that M is the factor of R. So M is factor of R. Right? So M is a factor of R, M is a factor of B also. So M is a common factor of B comma R. But we don't know it's a HCF or not. It is a common factor, but we are not sure it's a HCF or not. So what it implies? Always N must be greater than or equal to M. Because N is a HCF. So it can't be, it's a common factor, but it can't be greater than, right? Because N is a HCF. So it can't be more than that. At max it can be equal. That's why we are saying N must be greater than or equal to M. Till this point you are clear? So let's say this is the equation 1. Now we want to show that N is a common factor of A and B. N is a common factor of A and B. But what is the highest common factor of A and B? M. So if N is a common factor of A comma B, so what is the relation between the M and N? M and N? M always must be greater than or equal to N. Right or not? Because M is a HCF. So now just we want to show that N is a common factor of A comma B also. Not only B comma R, it's a common factor of A comma B also. So second part we are showing that. First part we have shown. So M is the highest common factor of A comma B. We have shown that M is also common factor of B comma R. So it implies that N must be always greater than or equal to M. Now we want to show that N is the common factor of A comma B also. then it implies m must be always greater than or equal to n. From these two we can say that m is equal to n. Okay. So we are saying, so when we say that HCF b comma r equal to n, can I write b equal to some n into L1? Some L1 is some integer. Can I write r as some n into L2? Because n is a common factor, no? So now how can I write a? A is equal to, now substitute b and r in the equation. Let's say in the a equal to bq plus r. So what will happen? N bnl plus bnl1 plus nl2. Can I take n common here? N bl1 plus l2. So what it says? N is a factor of a. So from here what we know, n is a factor of b and r also. So from this we can say that n is a factor of both a and b. N is a common factor of both a and b. So it says that n must be less than or equal to m. This is 2. So from 1 and 2 what we can say, n must be equal to m. So once this is clear, then we can proceed with that Euclid's algorithm. Now we are clear? You want to note it down? You can note it down. So just as simple, yeah. So this is the equation 1, and so now we are considering HCF of a comma b is equal to some m, HCF of b comma r is equal to n. Now we are showing that n is also common factor of a comma b. M is also common factor of b comma r. It's a common factor, but already this m or n are they are HCFs. So it must follows n must be greater than or equal to m must be greater than or equal to n. So from 1 and 2 we can imply that m is equal to n. Clear, Anirudh? So what we are doing with that Euclid's division algorithm, we are taking, first we are starting with a comma b. Until remainder equals to 0, we are repeating the process. So directly or indirectly we are saying HCF A comma B is equal to HCF of B comma R, and it proceeds further. HCF A comma, let's say HCF of A comma B, HCF of B comma R equal to HCF of and so on. So this we do till we get the remainder 0. So let's say in the first stage itself remainder is 0. Then what would be the HCF? B itself, right? So that's why we are stopping when the remainder is 0, right? Clear? So you are clear with the HCF, right? Now we can calculate the HCF, right? So I asked you to in the last class I gave one question, right? Could you solve it? I think you were not there, yeah? Okay, can you, so also you understood these things, Kaushik? You are there when I told these things? Do you want to discuss again? You wanted to discuss? Okay. So, let's say we want to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or plus 3 or plus 5. Let's say take any positive integer, not odd integer, take any positive integer. Let's say is equal to a. So on b equal to 6, take b equal to 6. So using Euclid's division lemma, how can I express a? A is equal to, let's say b equal to 6. A is here any positive integer, right? So how can I express a now? A is equal to 6q plus r. So what are the range of values of r? R varies from? Anirudh, R varies from? What are the range of values of r? 1 to 5 or 0 to 5? It's a 0 to 5, right? What's the equation? What is the R varies from 0 to B. 0 is included, it's not excluded, but B is excluded. So if B is 6, then what are the range of values of R? 0 to 5, right? So if B is 10, 0 to 0 to if B is 10, what are the range of values of R? 0 to 9. That B is excluded, 0 to 9. If it is B is 15, 0 to 14. Now you are clear? So let's say it's very simple. You take a multiplication of, let's say multiplication table of 3. Okay? So let's say take, so what is the multiplication table of 3? It starts with 3, 6, 9. Let's say 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay? So now we are representing A is equal to 3q plus r. Take q is equal to 0. So I need to get 1, 2, right? So r varies from 0 to 2. So 0, 0, 1, 2. If q is equal to 0, r varies from 0, 1, 2. So what are the values A can take? 0, 1, 2. So when q is equal to 1, 3, right? 3. Now if r is 0, it's 3. Next, if For 4, what is R value? For 4, what is R value? For 4, I want A to be 4. What is the value of R? What is the value of Q? 1. If I want A to be 5, Q is same, R is, so like that it varies, right? So for multiples, R will be 0. So for the middle ones, we need to keep that R, the range values, 0 to 2, right? So like that we can like represent every value, every integer value, right? So let's say if I want A is equal to 20, so what is the Q value, what is R value? Q is 6, R is 2. So now you are clear now, right? If R is equal to 3, can R be 3? If R is 3, then it's divisible by 3, no? So R can't be 3. If R is B, then it is divisible by that particular number. So it can't be. So R will be always less than that one particular number, right? Let's say 0 to, bound is from 0 less than, R less than, 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Clear? Clear, na? So now A is equal to 6Q plus R. So what are the range of values of R can take? 0 to 5, right? So what are the A can be? A equal to 6Q plus 1, 6Q plus 2, 6Q plus 3, 6Q plus 4, 6Q plus 5. So these are all positive integers. But what we need? Odd integers. So here what is even, what is odd? 6Q is even or odd? Even. 6Q plus 1? So what are the odd integers then? Plus 1, plus 3, plus 5. Clear? So let's say if B is equal to 10, can you tell me the, I will ask one by one, yeah? You tell Kaushik for this question, yeah? So B is equal to 10. So what are the positive even integers? The form of positive even integers. If B is equal to 10. Positive even integers. Ten cube plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. You understood right now? Okay. Anirudh, I am asking one question. Okay. So if B is equal to 8, so what are the possible odd integers? B is equal to 8. Odd integers. 8Q plus? Yeah. 5? 8Q plus 7. Now clear, yeah? So Rohit, 5 also. Okay? So if it is 4, B4. So you need to tell odd integers. 4Q plus 3. Clear, yeah? This question is clear, right? So this one we solve it, yeah? So this is also similar question, yeah? So I think I asked the next question. Yeah, I asked this question to solve. Can you solve it, Rohit, now? Kaushik, take this question. You both of you solve it? Solve it? Show me. So 9 plus R. Right, very good. So it's coming in 9. but where did you consider the R values? R values from 0 to 0 to
7.
no 8. So you didn't solve for R values. So how can you get this expression finally? So this is the one.
Yeah, this one.
Oh.
So I just consider this as m.
Okay.
And so as this is m, so 9m plus 1 is m.
Oh. Which you consider M? M is.
I just consider m as the brackets.
But what about no? So 9M. Here M
cube.
cube.
By 9, I just took it as.
No, you took for only R equal to 1 case, no?
Yes, sir.
What about R equal to 2 case, 3 case, 4 case, 5 case, 7, 6, 7? All the cases you need to show it, no?
Yes.
So you need to show for 0 also.
Yes.
You need to start with 0 and you need to show till 8. So now you show it for maybe 5 and 7. Okay. Anirudh, you showed for everything? Cube, like first what you need to do, no? So this is the first sample question, okay? So using Euclid's division lemma, we want to show that square of any positive integer is either a form of 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. We want to show this. So for this, first you express, take x as some positive integer. So if b equal to 3, how can you express it? B equal to 3, you can express, how can you express? A is equal to x equal to 3 cube plus 1, 3 cube plus 2. So now they are not asking us for any positive integer. They are asking for the square of any positive integer. So now you need to square it. So let's say here for a equal to 3q case, what is the square of 3q? 9q square. 9q square you need to express in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. That's the case 1. Now for 3q plus 1 also, you need to square it and you need to express that finally in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. So again for 3q plus 2, you need to square it and express in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. Did you get? So the next question as well. So now they are asking for cube, no? Right? So now you consider b is equal to 9. So what are the possible values of x can take? 9m plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. So for each case we need to cube it and show that finally that expression is in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Sorry? Yeah, in the form of that. So maybe for now, it takes time. So you can show for 0, for r equal to 0, r is equal to 5. Show for these two. They are very easy, no? 9m and 9m plus 5. Okay? Plus 2. So we did for till plus 2, yeah? So what about, but okay, somehow you, no, here you need to consider 9, no? Anirudh, you need to consider 9, right? What to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So we need to consider here not 3, 9, right? If you consider 3, it can't be, remainder can't be more than 2, no? Let's say if I consider 3, then what are the possible range of values of R? What are the range of values R can take? 0, 1, 2. So, but they are telling us to show in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So, it can never be 8. Right? So,
1, 0, 1, 2 alone.
so you consider b is equal to 9 and it can go from 0 to 8. Now you need to show for all the 8 cases. Okay, understood? So you are showing for
So for this 9 plus 5.
showing
So
a
I just to consider this as n.
good.
So as the same 9 plus 1.
No, but you need to finally come to that 9m plus 8 or 9m plus 1.
So 9 plus 8 is a fine answer.
Yeah, or no. But so how can you represent 125? Is it a factor of 9?
No, sir.
120?
5.
So how many? What is the remainder if you divide with a 9?
9, 35.
90 plus 35, right?
Yes.
35 plus 3, yeah? 33, 30, 32. Okay. 27 plus 8, right? So how can you represent 117 plus 8, right? This one. So 117 you can, right? So you can represent 117 plus 8. So now you can take 9 common from this one. 9 m cube 3m square. What about
So the possible ways to
right.
make this divisible.
Yeah. So that finally the form must be any of the 3. Right? So what about this is 70?
Right.
Then how come finally 75m plus 13 plus 8. So this you can take as some m 9m plus 8. Right? So this is 729 m cube. So this we can take 9 common, no? 9 square m cube. So this you take some m. Then it's in the form of 9m. Now we want to show for this one. Can you expand it? What is a plus b whole cube formula? A plus b whole cube? A cube? B cube? 3ab? 3ab into a plus b. 3a square b plus 3ab square. Can you expand it? Seven. 725. Sorry.
So if you take some common.
Right. A cube. This is b cube. What is 3a square b? Plus
3ab.
3a square b plus 3ab square. Right? Those things also. What is 3a square b value? 3 into?
3 into a is 9m.
9m. So because finally we are taking 9m common now. So keep that as it is. No need to change it. 9m whole square and 5. Right? Plus 3 into 9m plus 5 square. Into right? 5 square, right? So now here in all these things 9 is common. So you can take out 9 common here from all this. So here also you should divide such that you can take 9 common from here also. How can you express 125? What is the quotient, what is the remainder using Euclid's lemma?
As b.
How can you divide it? What is the quotient? What is the remainder?
So this b, sir.
A is, let's say he is a A. I want to express it in terms of b, that is 9. Nine into 13. 39 are how much? 117. What is the remainder? 8. So I can express this 117 plus 8. So in 117 I can take again 9 common. So in all four of them I can take 9 common, and the remaining the quotient I can consider it like a m. So finally it's a form of 9m plus 8. Clear? Or okay, whatever, I think whatever you did is also correct only, right? So equal to 3q. So finally you have this one 9m plus 8, yeah? Okay.
So you want to do instead of 3, you want to put 9 also.
Yeah. So I think 3 also it's coming, right? So I think 3 is also okay. So finally you are able to express in terms of 9m plus 1, 9m plus. How can you express 9m plus 8? That's what I.
So you want to do this.
9m plus 8. I think there is some. Not sure. No, if it is if I take 3, no, then I can't express it as a 3m plus 8, no, because it must be always, the remainder must be always less than 2. But they have given solution as that, but I don't know if solution is correct or not. The solution they have taken that b as 3, but I don't know the solution right or not. But this is, if you take as a 9, then always you can go to till 0 to 8, right? So you tried for b equal to 5, r is equal to 5, Anirudh? You tried r is equal to 5? Huh? Like take b is equal to 9 and keep r is equal to, for what are you tried now? Okay, just you tried for r is equal to 0, yeah? Now try for r is equal to 5 and show it to me, okay? And express in terms of sorry? You done with 5, right? So yeah, maybe you try with r is equal to 4. Same 9m plus 4.
So a cube is equal to 9m plus 4.
Yeah, 9m plus 4 whole square. Whole cube, right? 9m plus 4. Rohit, now you trying with what? 5?
9 plus
Good, good, right. Right. No, Anirudh, I'm saying take B as 9 only, but R is 5.
So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
4, 5, right? So I'm trying, no need to try for everything, just try for B equal to 5. Understood now? So what is the A equation now? A is equal to
9 cube
9 cube plus
plus 9 cube
9 cube plus 5. I want to try it for R is equal to 5. Understand?
to set that particular.
Just like let's say if I take 9 cube, A is equal to 9 cube plus R. What is the value of values of R can take? 0 to
0 to 4.
0 to?
You said 5.
No. I took B equal to 9, no?
0 to 8.
0 to 8, right? So what are the range of values R can take?
0, 1, 2, 0 to 8.
0 to 8. So I want, now you need to try for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 8, no?
Yes.
I want, because we don't have so much time, I want to just to try for R equal to 5. What is now? A equal to 9 cube plus
Plus
5. So now what you need to do? You need to cube it. Find the cube of this one. I need to show that either it is a form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Understood? You are doing for 4, yeah? Try it.
got it.
9m plus 3. I think 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8, no? 3 or what is the forms it can exist?
So 9 plus 7 I got
9m plus 3, yeah? No, you need to show 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8.
9 plus 5 and 7.
Yeah, but 7, finally you need to show in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. It must not be 9m plus 3. Can you check somewhere did you mistake or something? Did you get for 4?
take this so.
Sorry, sir.
I used the cube and
So here it's a by, you can take 9 out, right? Here also 9. Here also 9. We need to divide it. So what is the here you can 64, how can you divide it? 63 plus 1. Then for 63 you can divide 9. Then it will be form of 9m plus 1. 63 plus 1, right? Understood? How many 9s are 63? 9? 9 7s are 63. So 63 plus 1. Then entire all the terms we can take out the 9 common, the 9m. So what else remains? The plus 1 remains. Understood? So here 9 common, no? 9 something. So we are dividing 64 as 63 plus 1. So here again 9 common, right? So if you take out here from 63 also you can take 9 commons, something will be there. So plus 1. We are taking this is some m. So 9m plus 1. Clear? So only the constant thing we need to divide such that one is a factor of 9, other is some constant. That constant will be that remaining constant. Okay? Do it for 6 now, tell me. 9m plus 6. What's the formula of a plus b whole cube? A plus b whole cube formula. A plus b whole cube. A cube. B cube. Plus 3ab into a plus b. A cube. And feel free, yeah? Feel free, yeah? Okay, no problem, okay. So what is a plus b whole cube formula?
A cube plus b.
A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, a cube plus b cube 3a square b plus 3ab square. So now you, according to this formula, you divide it. Okay, and then you try to express it in the form of 9m
Plus
or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So you did here, no? Very good, no? You did here, no? It's very good. Like that one you do here. It's very good, no? Very good. Here you did very good, no? Do it, do it.
So this constant,
Constant.
it is a factor of.
Right, in the factor of 9 you need to do it. Right?
So it is it's already.
Already factor, right? Then what's the form?
When 9 is common,
Common, everything will be some factor. Then
it will be a
9m.
So
Right? Understood right now, right? Clear? So why we are doing in terms of, why we are dividing it in terms of 9? Because we need to take out 9 common, no? That's why we are doing it. So previously we did it with respect to 3, because we need to take out 3 common. So if it is 4, we need to do in terms of 4. So now you got the idea, no? Clear, right? Rohit, where did you stuck? 9m, so wrong, yeah? So that is fine, Rohit. So a cube, so 9m whole cube. No need to divide it, just keep it like that. Again 3a square b, 3 into 9m whole square into 7 plus 3, 9m, 7 square. Keep it like that, no need to do that. Finally 7 cube. What is 7 cube?
343.
3? Correct, right? 343. So this is 343. How can you divide 343 in terms of 9?
So,
How many 9s are 343? 9. What is the quotient? What is the remainder? 343, 9. 27, 7, 73. 73. How much is one? 70, 72, right? 72, 72, 8, right? Right?
Yes, 38.
Right?
Yes. So the 38 we can split as 35 and
No need to slide. So it is 38. 343 equal to 38 into 9 plus 1. So in all these 4 terms you can take out 9 common, no?
yes, sir.
So 9 some factor plus 1 will be 9m plus 1. Clear?
Yes, yes.
Understood now? Do it for 4, 9m plus 4. Do it for 4. Rohit, do it for 8. Kaushik, you are trying out something else? Try it out. So finally, only the thing is constant we need to divide. Everything 9 is common. So from constant only you can easily get it. You no need to solve everything. Just take a constant, divide it. If it is a remainder is 0, then it is 9m. Remainder is 1. 9m plus 1. If remainder is 8, 9m plus 8. So that's the fastest way to do it. Did you understand what I am saying? No need to do it for everything. Take a constant. If a constant is, what is a constant? B cube. That R cube. If R cube, it has a remainder 0, then it has the form of 9m. If remainder is 1, 9m plus 1. What remainder is? 9m plus 8. So, what it says? For 0 to 8, cubes of 0 to 8, always remainder will be 0, either 1, either 8.
For 7, I looked at, so it came 343.
343. How can you divide it?
333 plus 10.
333?
Plus 10.
No. Then we are dividing in terms of 10, no? It can't be more than, remainder can't be more than 9, no? Then 3, you told 333 plus 10. So then one step go further, 333 plus 9 plus 1. Then it's 342 plus 1.
Of 9 plus
Right? 342 plus 1. So what is the remainder now?
1.
1. So it will be form of
9 9 plus 1.
9 plus 1. So that's the fastest way to do it. So for 8, what will you do, Rohit? For what, Kaushik? For what will you do? For 8? Just for 8. Uh, uh. So you need to do 8 cube. What is 8 cube? Do it then. Five and 2. So how can you express 5 and 2 in terms of 9? Ah.
So actually I just splitted this for 4 cubes. So
Ah,
now I
good.
just calculate this rate.
Sorry?
I have just splitted this 4 cube
Ah,
into
into?
79 plus 1.
So what is the remainder there? So then it will form of 9 and
9
plus
plus
1. Good. So no, you no need to do everything. Just take a remainder and split it. If remainder is reminders, you take a r cube, right?
Yes, sir.
If r cube has a remainder 0, that will be in the form of 9m. 9m. If remainder is 0. If remainder is 1,
9 plus 1.
if remainder is 8, 9m plus 8. So that's the fastest way to do it. No need to do it for everything. Because in all this 9 is common, no?
Yes, sir.
A cube 9 is common. 3a square b 9 is common. 3ab square 9 is common.
So it's enough for calculating only for 4
Yeah,
cubes.
that's what I'm saying, no? You understood the logic.
Yes, yes.
So here 9 is common.
Yes, sir.
So in the a cube term 9 is common. So 3a square b term 9 is common. 3ab square term 9 is common. Only 9 is not common here. So finally we are again splitting into, in terms of 9 is common, some x plus something remain. So here we can take 9 common and something will be there. Some x factor. So finally this is r, no?
Yes, sir.
So that says that just you need to do it for that and split it, and then what is the remainder comes, that will be the form of that. Clear? Now clear, right? So what is the so what did you get, Rohit? Kaushik? 9m?
504 plus 8.
How did you split it? 512?
504 plus
504 plus 8. So 9m
plus 8.
plus 8. So now please tell me for everything, okay? 0 to 9, 0 to 8, tell me. What are the forms? Okay? So now already you did for many things, no? Now we simply do it. So now I did the trick, no? Told the trick, no? Like do it for everything. So Anirudh, so finally what we need to do? We need to take out 9 common, no? So you no need to calculate what are the 9 square, 9 cubes. Don't need. Because we just finally take out 9 common, no? So now I need to do 9 cube plus 5 whole cube. Clear? So what is 9 cube plus 5 whole cube? 9 cube whole cube. 3 into 9 cube whole square, 5 plus 3 into 9 cube, 5 square plus 5 cube. Is clear? A cube plus this is 3 3a square b. What is a plus b whole cube formula? Please tell me again.
A plus b whole cube is equal to
A cube
plus b cube
b cube
3ab
3ab.
into a plus b.
Okay. So can you divide this one? A cube plus b cube 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is a cube, this is b cube. This is 3a square b, this is
3ab square.
3ab square. Correct? Okay. So in all these things, what is common? 9 is common. 9 is common. 9 is common. So you can take out 9 common, no? In this 3. Correct? Here 9 is there. Here 9 is there. Here 9 is there. So we can take out 9 as a common, no? Something will be there, but we don't know. It's okay. Right? Because 9 is common, so I can take out 9 common. So this also 5 cube also you split 125, right? So you split in terms of 9. 125 can be expressed as 9 into what is the multiply? What is the divisor? Tell me. Take time. Tell me. 39s are how much? 39s. Sorry? 13 nines. One, 7.
I cannot like 39.
No problem. So how much 39 sir?
117.
117. So 13, what is remainder? Nine into 13 is 117, right? What is the remainder value? 117, 125 minus 117. Right? So here to become 120, how much I need more? 3. So then again here 5 more. Total is how much? 3 plus
7.
3 plus 5. 125 minus 117.
7.
125 minus 117 is how much? Okay, you do it, no? 125 minus 117.
So for these sums and all, the dividend was greater than 9. For this 2 cube is lesser than 9, sir. So,
Yeah.
So
Then that's it, no? 9 and plus 8. Good. Right? So yeah. So tell me for all the cases. So for case 1 is 9m. A is equal to 9m. So what is the form? 9m. For case 2, A is equal to 9m plus 1. So take here some because mm again confusing, no? Take it as some q or something, right? Q, 9q plus 1. So what is the form? 9m? 9m plus 1, huh? So for 2, case 3, 9q plus 2, this is 9m plus 8. Case 4, 9q plus 3, this is 9m. So again case 5, A is 9q plus 4. So what is 9m plus 1? Now case 5, yeah? A is equal to 9q plus 4. What is? 9m plus 8. Case 6, 9q plus 5. 9m. Case 7, 9q plus 6. What is? 9m plus 1 plus 1. For case 8, 9q plus 7. This is 9m plus 8. So case 9, 9q plus 8. This is 9m. Is it 9m or?
So for 7 it's 9.
9m plus 1, huh? For 8?
For 6 it's 9.
Oh, 6 is, okay, 6, 9.
4 is 9 plus 1.
4
4 is 9 into
9m plus 1, yeah. 5
5 is 9
9m
plus 8.
plus 8. For 6
For 6 is 9.
9m. 7
9 plus 1.
plus 1. Next one 9m plus
8.
8. Okay, clear? What? 8, yeah. So now finally what you get? So you can take is so this is 9 into 13 plus 8, no. So here in all these terms we can take 9 common, no. So 9 into some factor m plus 8. Understood? Clear? So can you do for r is equal to 4? Okay, do it, show it. Okay, take r is equal to 4, yeah. Okay, clear na?
Yes.
I think that sequence is repeating, no? 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. Nine m, 9m plus 1, 8, 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 1, 8. Again the same sequence, right? So you understood the logic, right? So today I wanted to cover the next module. We'll cover next week. So just the simple logic is that we need to take out the 9 common. In first 3 terms, 9 is already there. So the constant term only we need to express in terms of 9 common thing and remainder. So now again in this 9 common thing we can take out 9 common. So then will be that is some factor m. So what is the remainder remains? That is either 0, either 1, either 8.